How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Handbuilt Cars YouTube channel, and I hope you had a wonderful weekend. On today's episode Viewers Project, I want to present one of the craziest builds I have seen in the past few years, and it's 1966 Pontiac GTO known as Full Metal Goat, built by hot rodding and racing enthusiast from Tennessee, Houston Kilby. What makes this GTO even more amazing is the fact that it's true garage build, and it has a massive 698 cubic inch engine with a Steve Morris F-136 ProCharger. And did I mention that he has built entire chassis and body by himself? Yes, he did. I don't know much about the horsepowers that this engine produces right now, but definitely it's way over 1000 horsepower, maybe even 2000 horsepower, but we will find out soon when Houston Kilby will take it to the dyno test. So get yourself comfortable, grab your favorite drink and enjoy this badass build presentation by Houston Kilby.
Hey guys, my name is Houston Kilby and this is my 66 GTO, the Full Metal Goat.
Alright guys, I thought I'd give you guys a quick overview of all the things we've done to the car. We started out with just a pretty much bare bones 66 GTO body, and we completely cut it up. We had to completely make everything from scratch, from the chassis to the rear end. You know, we started out with all straight pieces, whether it be flat metal or a bunch of chromoly tubing, and we made this thing come to life. There's definitely no kits when you're building something like this. It's all custom parts for everything. It was a ton of learning. I had to learn everything from bending chromoly tubing to TIG welding it as well. There's a ton of work, and even the sheet metal work that goes in this as well. There's a crazy amount of hours that goes into building something this custom, but it's a lot of fun. I mean, heck, we even put the brake lines in it. But you can see all these things being done on our YouTube channel and on Facebook and on Instagram. You can just check out my personal page, Houston Kilby, and you can see all those things being done on there. One of the things we also like to do, we take this thing out to events and stuff just to kind of promote the channel and promote the car, is we took it to the Pontiac show in Pigeon Forge, and that's in Tennessee. And then we also took it out to Streetcar Takeover in Bristol. You guys will get to see several things getting installed here coming up real soon, like a transmission, a shifter, and the fire suppressant system that's going to go on this thing. Things we got left to get is the Holley Dominator system for the EFI and also the fuel system. So we're getting extremely close to firing this bad boy up. But we also do a lot of other things on our channel. We got a wicked cool Jeep build that's going on right now, and you guys get to see a ton of install videos on that thing. And then as well, my dad, he's got a wicked cool Pro Street truck. We do a lot of videos with him, going and having fun with that thing. But you guys have a good one. Thank you guys for watching.
You can stay up to date with Kilby's progress on this beautiful 66 Pontiac GTO by subscribing to his YouTube channel, Houston Kilby. His videos detail how he assembled certain components, and he provides valuable tips and tricks for anyone building cross-street car of their own. So guys, make sure you subscribe to Houston Kilby's YouTube channel and ring the bell for notifications to get updates about the newest builds Kilby is building right now, besides this beautiful 66 Pontiac GTO. As of today, he has 962 subscribers, so let's help him pass 1000 subscriber mark so he can finally apply for monetization on YouTube, and let's help him reach thousands and thousands more subscribers. He definitely deserves far more subscribers than he has now. And of course guys, don't forget to follow him on Instagram at Houston Kilby and Facebook Houston.Kilby1. For those who are building their dream cars, highly suggest to visit Kilby's webpage, kilbymotorsport.com. Maybe you can find something that you need for your own build. If you want your project to be featured on my channel, send me a message via email handbuiltcars@hotmail.com, DM me on Instagram at handbuiltcars, or comment down below this video or any other video on my channel. So hope guys you enjoyed today's presentation, but until then, stay awesome and see you soon guys. Cheers.